Hey everybody, it's you guys know who this is anyway. Uh, it's Queen Bee 24, and I'm back at it again because I want to dedicate a special song, and this song really means a lot to me because it talks about my mom and it speaks to her, and basically, song from my mom. So to all those mothers out there that have always been there for their kids, don't stop at what you're doing. Keep loving them. Sooner or later, they will appreciate you. I know I appreciate my mom, and I love her a lot. So, this next song I'm gonna be singing is a song from Mama from Boyz II Men. So, here we go. You tell me everything and everything you've given me. I'll always keep it inside. You're the driving force in my life. Oh yeah, yeah. There isn't anything or anyone that I can be. Just wanna feel right. If I didn't have you by my side. Ooh, never lied for me, never cared for me. When the skies were gray, when the ride was down, you were always there to comfort me. And no one else can be what you have been to me. You'll always be, you will always be the girl in my life for all time. Mama, Mama, you know I love you. Ooh, you know I love you, Mama. Mama, you're the queen of my heart. Your love is like this from the start. Mama, I just want you to know. Loving you is like food to my soul. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh, yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh. You're always there for me and have always been around for me for this past. You showed me right from my wrong, and yes, you did. And you took up for me when everyone was down on me. You always did understand. You gave me strength to go on, and there were so many times looking back when I was so afraid. And then you come to me and say to me, I can face anything. And no one else can do what you have done for me. You'll always be, you will always be the girl in my life for. Oh, mama, mama, you know I love you. I love you. You know what, mama. Oh, mama, you're the queen of my heart. Your love is like tears from the stars. Mama, I just want you to know. I just want you to know. Loving you is like food to my soul. Never gonna go a day without you. Fills me up just thinking about you. I'll never mama. You're the queen of my heart. Your love is nicest from the start. Mama, I just want you to know, mama, loving you is like food to my soul. Loving you is like food to my soul. Oh, yeah. You are food to my soul. Yes, you are. Like I said, I hope you enjoy that.